Gang, let's go to The Age, where the splash tomorrow reads, bidding war over health escalates. The election bidding war over health policy in Victoria will intensify today, with the opposition releasing a $325 million plan to train 40,000 extra nurses and midwives via free education programs. The opposition's future health workforce plan would see 18,000 more health workers trained than under the free education plan announced by Premier Daniel Andrews last month. Gideon, I'll just go to you on this, considering you have the home ground advantage of this. It's a bit of a sneak peek to what we'll see before the November election by Matt. Is it Matt Guy or Matthew Guy now? I keep losing track with his branding. But
well, nobody knows,
how do you think
Jenna.
that this will land tomorrow? How do you think this will land tomorrow?
Yeah, look, I'm always sceptical about this idea that the Coalition and the Liberal Party can win elections on health. It doesn't mean that Daniel Andrews has done well on health or deserves to win the health debate. He's been awful at it for reasons we've discussed on this program extensively. But in the minds of voters, Labor are more trusted on health. They have the brand equity. It's very, very hard for the Liberals to win on that issue. The second thing is, I'm not crazy about this free education idea. I'm really not. Look, of course nurses are important, but a lot of tertiary educated people are important. Doctors are important. Veterinarians are important. Dentists. What about engineers? People like that. And then the other issue is, of course, is that really, we can't afford to have two parties going out and spending a heap of money in Victoria right now. The state is flat broke. Dan Andrews has got us into a situation where we may end up being like something on par with the bad old Kane Kerner days for people that remember the 1980s in Victoria. So I would, you know, by all means, criticise the Andrews government on health, but for God's sake, say something about the debt, because I think that's where the action is in Victoria, and that is an issue that could be really, really important in Victoria over the years ahead.